Welcome to Flowbase Co. Let's see how to use the meeting tab under the client tracker template. So here I have the meeting tab. So I'll just try to go inside the meeting tab over here. So here you can see you have a quick action button to go and schedule a meeting. So here you can see you can see all the meetings over here on the calendar view. So if I just try to go back, you can see like the different meetings, whatever are there on my calendar, you'll be able to completely see it. So you also have the filter like the upcoming meetings and past meetings over here. Then you can see the KPI for the meeting statistics over here, like the total number of meetings you'll be able to completely see here. And apart from that, you also have like other actions like to go and create a task, add a project, add client, like new lead, and add a contract over here. Then below this one, you have the detailed view for the meetings. Like you can see all the meetings over here, and then also like by client wise you'll be able to completely see the meetings over here. So you can see the different like details, like the when it is scheduled, like which channel, the meeting link, whether like the client has been informed or not, who are going to be the attendees, the linked project for that one, what is going to be the outcome, and the follow-up actions, and the files. So if any presentation has to be done, those files over here. So all these things can be completely linked over here. Then by channel also we have the meeting, whether it's a hybrid meeting, it's a physical meeting, or it's a remote meeting. So all these things you'll be able to completely track from here. So this is about the complete meetings page, what we have under the client tracker template.